the slicing operation of a data frame. Now, as we know, a data frame is a two-dimensional structure with rows and columns. So, a slicing will create a subset of a data frame also having combination of rows and columns. The difference between indexing and slicing is that in indexing we may get a single row or a single column, but in slicing we will get a group of rows as well as columns. So slicing will create a subset which will also be a two-dimensional data structure in its own, which will be a subset of the parent data frame. So the syntax of slicing operation is like this. We will first have to create a variable into which we want to store the subset. That the subset of a data frame is created using subset function. As an argument to the subset function, we are supposed to give the name of the data frame from which we want to extract the subset, the condition which we want to set to extract the results, and in select we are supposed to give the names of the column which we want to uh, whose value we want to take into the subset. Those names of the column are supposed to be given as a vector. Now see the example. We want to create a subset of captains who have won more than 30% of their matches. So now if you have seen our captaincy data frame, that data frame had a victory column in the end. It is that column is actually carrying the victory percentage of every captain. So in this data set, in this query as a subset, we want only those captains whose victory percentage is more than 30%. And what all information we require is names of those captains, the matches of played by those captains, and matches won by those captains. So the query or the command which will be creating the subset is like this. Subdata is the name of the subset which we are going to create, a subset function, and as an argument to the function, the name of the data frame captaincy. The condition is given as a second argument, which is victory should be more than 30%, so 0.3. And in select we are giving a vector of column names, and we are interested in the name, played, and won columns. Once we get that data, we are printing it. So let's go in RStudio and perform this operation. So here firstly we'll be creating a variable which will store, so the variable which will store the subset. So it is subdata, and now to create a subset we are using a subset function. As an argument to this function, we are supposed to give first the name of the data frame, then the condition, and here the condition is victory should be greater than 0.3, means they should have won more than 30% of their matches. And now we want to select all those players who have won more than 30% and display the names, matches that they have played, and matches that they have won. While giving the column name, make sure the language is case sensitive. That's why the capital and small need to be taken care of. So if we run this, we have already created, you can see here, there is another subset of captaincy data frame known as subdata, which will have 3 observations with 3 rows. And as we have only called for 3 column to be extracted, there exist 3 columns. So let us print it. So if we print it, as you can see, there are these 3 players or the captains, Mahi, Saurav, and Dravid, who have their victory percentage more than 30%. So this is slicing operation, and here ends our part 1. Let us begin with